First things first, I appreciate your support. So yesterday I was working on a machine installation in Ruiru. So the client went for an LG. He got a good advice because locally LG is the best brand from our region. Parts are readily available. And the good thing, he got the right people to do the installation. You can't spend much on a washing machine and then you do shortcuts. We've had instances where someone calls a plumber, which is okay, but they'll only do tap installation and pipe installation. That's there is more to that because machine needs good leveling. You need to remove the transit balls in case there's an issue, there's a damage. This is where technician is important because we'll advise you on way forward on how to use the machine. Anyway, let's get into it. So we remove that tape because the door is well sealed. Then we had to check if everything was packed. So the washing machine pipe was there. What was missing was the spanner used to remove the transit bolts. So lately they're not packing that when you get a new machine. I don't know why they're doing that. Even the washing machine doesn't come with the washing machine tap. So I had informed the client that we need to deliver a tap because without the tap installation cannot be done. And we don't do shortcuts here. So first things first, we removed the transit bolts. These are only used for transportation. They hold the drum intact. So during the movement, the drum doesn't get destroyed or the pressure switch sensor doesn't detach. So this is important. You have to remove this. If you don't remove that, the machine vibrates when spinning. And then these clippers, these plastic clips, are used to prevent dust getting to the machine and also maybe things like rodents. So after removing the transit bolts, this is mandatory. You have to return it. Anyway, I installed the tap already. I installed the tap already. So it was a matter of after removing the transit bolts, plug the pipe correctly. And then there's a correct way of installing the pipe. Okay. So the other side of the pipe that is adjustable goes to the washer. This side goes to the washer. Why? Because the tap is permanent, but the machine can be moved around during repair, during cleaning. So it gives room for you to move the machine. So it should be correct. Should be installed correctly. If you don't, that's how you get a broken tap, a broken pipe, and now you'll have to call in a technician or you have to get a new pipe. Depends where you get the pipe. So that's costly. So the machine was going to drain here. So this I done already before unboxing the machine. Anyway, every machine, when you buy a new machine, you have to get a power guard. So the client had forgotten that. So after this, you went directly to get one. After installing the machine, it is important to level it. So you get the right spanner, adjust the legs so that the machine won't make noise when speeding. Very important, you have to adjust the legs because the ground might not be well leveled. But you can get all this. These are called the anti-vibration pads. I disagree. These things, even if you put on your washer, the machine will still vibrate. The reason the client bought this, which is very important, is to raise the machine because if the ground is getting flooded, you need this. They're important because it's easy to clean the floor and also the machine won't the machine won't rust because of water that's on the floor. This client was organized. He was ready for this. He went for a washing machine cover. The washing machine cover prevents the machine from getting rust, being rained on. So it's very important. So when you're planning to get a new washing machine, these are things that you need to look at. The right place to install it. a power guard, anti-vibration pads to raise the machine, and a washing machine cloth. So he spent more on this. This machine here is almost 130k. So why should you use that much and then leave your machine in a bad state? So before you get a power guard, always ensure it's off from the main socket. I love you guys.